Are you looking for the best disposable plates in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best disposable plates that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Stock Your Home 125-piece rimmed disposable plates, blue, gold. With a total of 125 piece, these disposable plates from Stock Your Home are perfect for your picnics, informal events, dinner parties as well as everyday mealtime. The set includes 25 spoons, 25 forks, 25 knives, 25 dessert plates, and 25 dinner plates and is going to serve your guests or family multiple courses. Moreover, this set is made with reusable, disposable and BPA-free and it is durable and sturdy. The pieces have an elegant gold sheen that provides an elegant feel and will look great in your serving table. Besides, washing these plates is very easy if you are planning to use them at the next event. Number 4. WDF 125 PCS Silver Plastic Diamond Square Plastic Plates. This is a 125 PC set that has a gorgeous and amazing look on your table setting. They are safe for your family and guests as they are made of BPA-free, non-toxic and 100% food-grade plastic. In addition to that, with its elegant diamond design, they will not break or scratch easily, thus perfect for your daily life dinner, baby showers, birthday parties, weddings and so on. They set of great value and are disposable, recyclable and hand-washable for a quick after-bash cleanup, or you can also dispose of them on the trash. Get them today and you will never worry again on plates to serve your guests. Number 3. Stock Your Home 125-piece gold-rimmed elegant disposable plastic silverware plates. We finalize our review with this elegant disposable silverware plates from Stock Your Home. This plate comes with a gold sheen giving it an elegant look, thus you can use it for formal dinner parties and banquets as well as everyday mealtime, informal events, and picnics. Moreover, this silverware are made of disposable, BPA-free and reusable plastic that is durable and sturdy. This set include 125 piece that includes 25 spoons, 25 forks, 25 knives, 25 salad, and 25 dinner plates. Therefore, it has plenty to serve your multiple guests and your family. The set is easy to clean up and is dishwasher safe. Order yours today. Number 2. Stock Your Home 200-piece disposable dinnerware set, black and white. Stock Your Home dinnerware set is an elegant set that includes 25 guest towels, 25 9-ounce rimmed cups, 25 knives, 25 spoons, 50 forks, 25 dessert, and 25 dinner plates. They are going to impress your guests while elevating your table's decor. This set is perfect for your dinners, luncheons, baby showers, parties, weddings, and all other occasions. In addition to that, this set is made of food-grade plastic that is toxic and BPA-free. While these pieces are lightweight, they are made with high-quality plastics that make to have more durability and strength. After using the set, they are easy to clean or you can dispose of them if you are not planning to use them again. Number 1. NERVURE 102 Premium Heavyweight 5-1 PCS Disposable Plastic Plates. Next on our list is this disposable plastic plates from NERVURE. They are plates that are made using BPA-free, non-toxic and 100% food-grade plastic, making sure that they are safe to use. They come with beautiful colorful gold glitter, making them amazing. In addition to that, each collection comes with 51 PCs, thus suitable to serve a total of 51 people. Consider it for your weddings, engagement parties, bachelorette, bridal shower, lunch, Easter, and Christmas. They are 100% recyclable plastics plates and you can wash them whenever you want to use them for the next event.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.